All right, here is the 2019 Forest River Salem 31KQBTS. We'll start at the front here. We got a power tongue jack. Nice diamond plate shield on the front. We have a port for a portable solar panel. Manual stabilizer jacks on all four corners. Outdoor speakers. Power awning with LED light strip. Check out everybody's favorite part. It's the outdoor kitchen. Got an extra outlet. Nice storage. And the mini fridge. Of course, your sink. And on the back is a grill. Some high temperature grill paint would fix that right up. Maybe get a new grate or get a whole different type of grill altogether. Prepped for a backup camera if you want one. And we'll go around to the inside. Got solid steps and the oversized handle going in. And here's the living area. I've done the hop around test to see if there's any soft spots. The only thing I found is this. It's not the whole way through. And then of course, little scuff marks there. Looks like they put a staple in here. Could use pounded in a little bit with a hammer. Check out the master bedroom. Love this little storage they have under here. And we'll check out the bunk room. It's a little dark in here. And last but not least,